Alright, so this is probably the biggest project I've done with the Sany. Almost got this burn pile built. We've got a good little wood pile there. Make somebody some nice firewood. And you can see by that size log up there, this machine, it far outperforms the 27C that I had before. Really happy with it. It's really nasty. We're right now almost at 100 hours, which means we're going to have to do the swing service, grease that up. We got all these trees cleaned up. Nice access around the shop now. And that fire is burning. I mean, that's hot. Got most of this filled in. I'll clean this up with a tilt bucket once we get all the fire burnt. Need to by hand grab a bunch of these branches that are left, but got all these trees back here that were falled. You can see they're cut down there, and they landed right in there, right in that area. And we moved them to here and got it all burnt. I'll try to get a little footage, so every, I don't know, 30 minutes or so, I'm kind of being real careful with the excavator and pushing that up and piling everything up to get everything to burn as much as we can. Whatever we don't get burnt, we'll bury. It's getting late in the evening. Beautiful sunset. But really happy with this machine. Can't say enough about it. we got a little bit more on the fire. Got a little bit of weight now on top of it, kind of pushing everything down, keeping everything compact. This should burn all night. I'm not going to add any fuel. Our burn permits here don't allow you to really add any fuel, but I'll probably let this burn overnight. Kind of keep an eye on it. Really, all surrounding it is dirt, other than a little bit of grass there, but I'll go through with a blade here in a minute and scrape that down. That way there's no risk of it spreading out anywhere. The weather is pretty much perfect for this burn. We had a little bit of wind today, but that calmed down, and this should do really nice tonight. And I would say probably I may have 10% left, maybe. Hopefully it'll all burn, but I'm expecting about 10% to be left. I'm going to kind of mind it tonight as best I can to kind of keep scooching everything in to get everything to burn that I possibly can. And then once everything's burned here and I do the cleanup, I'll come in with a tilt bucket and fix up all the places where I dug trees up, dig the stump. I've got quite a bit of dirt still left that I'll have, and I have plenty out there that I can dig off if I need to fill this back in. But anyway, really glad to see the end of this project. This may be the last video that I do on it. But it turned out well. Here at my shop, basically used to have trees kind of hanging over top of the shop. Those are all gone. All this is opened up and nice and clear. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.